everyone, welcome to the Chill English channel, where we relax, learn, and grow together with calm voices and clear ideas.
Hi friends, I am Jake, and today we are talking about something very special and very personal for all of us here.
Our topic today is how to become the best version of yourself in 2026 in a simple, friendly, and realistic way.
Yes, this is not about being perfect or rich or famous, but about feeling proud, strong, and happy inside your real life.
We know many listeners feel tired, confused, or stuck sometimes, and that feeling is very normal in today's busy world.
So today, we want to talk to you, not at you, and share ideas you can really use tomorrow morning.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to the Chill English channel so you can learn and relax with us every week.
When you subscribe, you also tell yourself that your growth is important and that small habits really matter.
Let us begin with a simple question, and you can think quietly while listening with your coffee or tea.
Who do you want to be at the end of 2026 when you look back and think about this year?
Not what job you have or how much money you earn, but how you feel inside your heart every day.
Many people think change must be fast and big, but real change is often slow, small, and very quiet.
That is why today we focus on daily actions, because daily actions shape your future step by step.
A very important word today is habits, which means things you do again and again, often without thinking.
Good habits can build you up, and bad habits can slowly pull you down, even if you do not see it quickly.
I learned this the hard way with late nights and too much phone time before sleeping.
Oh yes, the phone habit is very powerful, and many of us are fighting the same small glowing screen.
Becoming your best version starts with awareness, which means you notice what you do and how it affects you.
When you notice your habits without judging yourself, you already take the first strong step forward.
Many listeners think self-improvement is only for confident people, but it's actually for tired people too.
Especially tired people, because rest, balance, and self-care are also part of becoming better.
Another important word is consistent, which means you continue even when you feel bored or lazy.
You do not need big motivation every day, because systems and routines work even on low energy days.
For example, drinking 1 glass of water after waking up sounds small, but it sends a clear message to your body.
That message says, I care about myself today, and I'm starting my day with respect.
Respect for yourself is the base of confidence, and confidence grows from actions, not only positive thoughts.
Many people wait to feel confident before acting, but acting first often creates confidence later.
Yes, confidence is shy, and it comes after you invite it with action.
In 2026, the best version of you is not someone else, but you with clearer goals and kinder self-talk.
Self-talk means the words you say inside your head, and those words can help or hurt you deeply.
If your inner voice is always angry or negative, progress becomes heavy and painful.
Try to speak to yourself like a good friend, honest but supportive, especially on hard days.
Another key idea is direction, because effort without direction can feel exhausting and empty.
Direction does not mean a perfect plan, but a simple idea like, I want to be healthier or calmer.
When you have direction, small choices become easier because you know why you say yes or no.
For example, going to bed earlier feels easier when you remember your goal is more energy and focus.
Focus is very important today because the world is loud and always asking for your attention.
Protecting your attention is an act of self-respect, and it helps you grow faster and deeper.
In this episode, we want you to feel motivated but also safe, because growth should not feel scary.
You are allowed to grow slowly, change your mind, and rest when needed without guilt or shame.
Becoming your best version is a long journey, not a race, and you are already on the path.
Take a deep breath now. Feel proud for listening, and let these ideas quietly settle inside you.
As we continue, keep thinking about one small change that feels possible and kind to yourself today. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Channel. I'm Sophia, and with me is Jake. We are so happy you joined today because we have a very practical episode for you.
Hi, friends. Today we are talking about English at the stand-up meeting. These meetings are short, usually daily, and many people feel nervous when they must speak in English.
Yes, stand-up meetings are very fast. People often stay standing to keep the meeting short. The main goal is to share updates clearly and quickly.
And the good news is that even if your English is simple, you can still sound confident and professional. You do not need long or complicated sentences.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post lessons that are easy to understand and very useful in real life.
Let's imagine you are in a stand-up meeting. Everyone is standing or on a video call, and the meeting is about to begin. The first thing is always a short greeting.
You can start by saying, "Good morning, everyone," or just, "Hi, team." These greetings are simple and polite.
Sometimes you can add, "Thanks for joining today," to sound friendly and professional.
Yes, you don't need perfect grammar. Clear, short English is always better than trying to use complicated words.
Another important part is listening. When others speak first, it's polite to show attention. You can say, "I see," or "That makes sense."
Exactly. These small phrases show you are engaged without speaking too much.
Now, even though the main part of the stand-up is giving updates, it helps to know safe phrases to start speaking.
For example, you can say, "I want to share my update," or "Here is what I am working on today." These sentences are simple, polite, and show confidence.
Many learners wait too long before speaking because they feel nervous. Using a prepared phrase makes it easier to join the conversation.
Yes. Another tip is to speak slowly and clearly. You do not need to speak fast. Speaking slowly actually makes you sound more confident.
Also, short sentences are better than long ones. For example, instead of saying, "Yesterday I worked on the report and helped Sarah with her project," you can say, "Yesterday I worked on the report. I also helped Sarah."
Short sentences are easier to understand and give you time to think before the next sentence.
Another very useful trick is to practice small phrases for agreement or attention. You can say, "Okay, I understand," or "Sounds good." These phrases are short but very effective.
Even if your update is only one sentence long, using these phrases shows you are paying attention and participating.
For example, if your team is talking about a project, you could say, "I see. Yesterday I finished the first draft. Today I will check the feedback."
See? Very short, very clear, and professional. Updates in stand-ups are meant to be brief.
It also helps to prepare your sentences before the meeting. Think about what you did yesterday, what you will do today, and if there are any blockers.
And small phrases like "I see" or "sounds good" are very helpful at the beginning because they show attention and make it easier to speak naturally.
Yes. Another tip is to practice at home or with a friend. You can rehearse greetings, listening phrases, and simple sentences for updates.
Listening to your colleagues is also important. You can learn natural ways to speak by noticing how they give updates and respond.
Yes. Even hearing small phrases like, "I finished this task," or "I need help with this," can help you use similar phrases in your own updates.
So today, we talked about the very beginning of a stand-up meeting. Greetings, showing attention, and starting your sentences with confidence are key.
Even simple English can make you feel more comfortable and professional in a meeting.
The most important thing is to use short sentences, clear words, and small phrases to start speaking naturally.
Exactly. Practice these phrases daily and notice how easier it becomes to participate.
By preparing small sentences, using acknowledgement phrases, and speaking clearly, you are already showing confidence in your meeting.
Yes, And small mistakes are fine. People notice your ideas, not perfect grammar. Clear, short sentences are enough.
So, greetings, short acknowledgments, and prepared phrases help you start confidently and follow the conversation.
Exactly. And once you get used to this, giving updates becomes easier and more natural.
All right, now, let's talk about the main part of the stand-up meeting, giving updates. This is where many learners feel nervous, but with a few simple phrases, it becomes much easier.
Exactly. In most stand-ups, you answer three main questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And do you have any blockers?
Let's start with yesterday. A simple way to begin is, yesterday I worked on, or yesterday I finished. These short phrases show clearly what you did without long sentences.
Right. For example, you can say, yesterday, I finished the report, or yesterday, I helped Sarah with the presentation. These are clear, professional, and very easy to remember.
Another tip is to use action verbs. Words like finished, completed, helped, or started make your sentences strong and easy to understand.
Yes, avoid long explanations at this stage. Stand-ups are short. 1 or 2 sentences about yesterday is usually enough.
Now for today. You can start with, today I will, or today I am working on. These phrases clearly show your plan and help the team follow your work.
For example, today I will check the feedback from the client, or today I am working on the design document. Simple, clear, and professional.
It's also a good idea to add small details if they are important, like deadlines or priorities, but keep sentences short. For example, today I will finish the presentation before noon.
Exactly. Short and clear sentences give confidence and help the team understand what you are doing.
Now, let's talk about blockers or problems. Many learners feel nervous when talking about issues, but there are simple ways to express them.
You can say, I have a small problem with, or I need help with. These are polite, simple, and show you are taking responsibility. You don't need long explanations. Just a short sentence is enough.
For example, I have a small problem with the software, or I need help with the client presentation. You don't need long explanations. Just a short sentence is enough.
And if you don't have any blockers, you can say, no blockers from my side, or everything is going well. This shows you are ready and organized.
Let's combine all three questions in a mini example. You can say, yesterday I finished the report. Today I will check the feedback. I have a small issue with the software.
See? Very short, clear, and professional. Each part is one sentence, but together it gives a complete update.
Another tip is to practice speaking these sentences aloud. You can even write them down before the meeting. When you say them, you will feel more confident.
Yes, and if you forget a word, it's okay. You can use phrases like, I mean, or let me check. These small phrases buy you time and sound natural.
Listening to your colleagues also helps. If they use words like completed, started, or reviewed, you can use the same words in your updates. It makes your English sound natural and professional.
Let's do a short exercise. Imagine you worked on a marketing email yesterday. Today, you will design a social post, and you have a small problem with the graphics software. You can say, yesterday, I worked on the marketing email. Today, I will design a social post. I have a small problem with the graphics software.
Perfect. Notice how short and clear it is. Each sentence has one idea, and together it gives a complete update.
Another useful trick is to use linking words for clarity, like and, but, or also. For example, yesterday I finished the report, and today I will check the feedback.
Yes, linking words make your sentences smooth, but don't overuse them. Keep updates simple and direct.
Also, don't worry if you make a small mistake. The team will focus on your ideas, not perfect grammar. Clear updates are more important than long, perfect sentences.
And remember, the goal is to give your update confidently, not to speak a lot. Short, clear sentences with action verbs work best.
You can also add small details if necessary, like deadlines or priorities. For example, today I will finish the presentation before noon.
Practicing these sentences daily will help you feel comfortable during stand-ups. You can do a short rehearsal in front of a mirror or with a friend.
Yes, and small phrases like I see or sounds good can be used while others speak. They show attention and help you participate naturally.
So today we focused on how to answer the 3 key questions: yesterday, today, and blockers. Using short, clear sentences, action verbs, and small acknowledgement phrases will make your updates professional and confident.
Exactly. And with practice, you will feel more confident giving updates in any stand-up meeting.
And small mistakes do not matter. Clarity and preparation are always more important than long sentences or perfect grammar.
Practicing these updates regularly will help you feel ready, calm, and confident in your daily stand-ups.